Good morning, dear students. Today in this video I will show you the next figure, that is figure number 5. I will take this as this figure as figure number 5. Okay, please concentrate. So we have to take it as this view as a front view. Okay, afterwards this is a top view, and here from the right to left we can take it as a what do you say, the right view. Okay, so in the front view you can see this rectangular block is there. Okay, this rectangular block has a two drilled holes, one on this and one on this. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ರೆಕ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಗುಲರ್ ಆಯತಾಕಾರದ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಬ್ಲಾಕಿಗೆ ಎರಡು ಡ್ರಿಲ್ಡ್ ಹೋಲ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸೈಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡ್ರಿಲ್ಡ್ ಹೋಲ್? ಡಯಾ 20. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಡಯಾ 20. ಟೂ ಹೋಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. ನೋಡಿ, ಹೋಲ್ ನ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಈ ಎಂಡ್ ಇಂದ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಇಸ್ 15 mm center axis. From this left edge to this is 15 mm. Okay, and for this hole location is e edge in the backside length, backside edge in the length 15 mm ide. From this edge to this center axis of a hole is 15 mm, and the location of holes are given. And afterwards on this block there is a one cylinder shape ide. Cylinder height is 60 mm, and the cylinder outer dia, it's a hollow cylinder ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು hollow pipe ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬಹುದು. ಅದರ ಹೊರಗಡೆಯ ಡಯ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ? 60 mm ಅಂದ್ರೆ 30 ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಒಳಗಡೆಯ ಡಯ, ಆ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ವಾ ಅದರ ಒಳಗಡೆಯ ಡಯ 40 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? 20 ಆಯ್ತು. ಇದು ಈ ರೆಕ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಗುಲರ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಕಂಬ ತರ ಪೈಪ್ ನಿಲ್ಸಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಬಿಡಿಸೋಣ. ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಪೈಪ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದರ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್, ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ? ಈ ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಇಂದ. ಇದು ಇರೇಸ್ ಆದಂಗೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, 60 mm ಇದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇದೆ ಇದು? ಈ ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಇಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 60 mm ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ us solve this problem. I will take this. I will take this figure copy. I will take it as edit. This I have edited it as figure 5. Afterwards I have to draw a front view. I have to draw a front view 140 mm. Front view is 140 mm. Height is 20 mm. Okay, I will draw a line. L, 120 mm length. Enter. Height ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 20 mm. ಹೌದಾ? ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ವ್ಯೂ ನಿಂದ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ 20 mm ಉದ್ದ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. 20 mm height. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ 120 ಮತ್ತು 20 mm rectangle ಅನ್ನು ಬಿಡಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ we have to see this. Please concentrate here. Now what I will do, instead of doing this one, after drawing this rectangle, I will simply move on to drawing of a top view. So why? Because the top view, it will be very helpful for me. So what I will do, I will take offset of around 40 mm. Okay, so after 40 mm offset, ನೋಡಿ 40 mm offset ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. width ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ? how much the width is? 80 mm is the width. Therefore I will take a line command, escape 2 times, L, enter. 80 mm width ಇದೆ. Okay, and it is 120 mm length alva, 120, and it is 80 mm. Okay, escape 2 times. So it is ready. Now I have to draw ನೋಡಿ, ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಇದು ಪೈಪ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ, ಹಾಲೋ ಪೈಪು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ? ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಹಂಗ್ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಎರಡು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಗಳು, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್, ಇದೊಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್, this circle and this one circle. So before that I will locate the center axis of this hole. Okay, what I will do, 15 mm ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 15 mm, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ left to right is 15 mm. I'll take offset command, offset 15 mm from here to here 15 mm. here to here it is 15 mm. Similarly from here to here 15 mm, here to here it is 15 mm ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. So I will draw a circle. So ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಟಾಪ್ ವ್ಯೂ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಇದೊಂದು ಹೋಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹೋಲ್ ನ ಸೈಜ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಡಯಾ is 20 mm. So I will take a C enter, circle command C enter, size radius ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ? 10 mm ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಯಾ 20 ಆಯ್ತು, 10 mm radius. Similarly enter ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, circle command ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, radius ಎಷ್ಟು? 10 mm ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಯಾ 20 ಆಯ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, afterwards ನೀವು ಬೇಕಾದರೆ erase ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಇದನ್ನ. What I will do, I will erase these locations. I will erase it. Okay, ನಾನು center axis ಅನ್ನು ಲೊಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. I will take a line command. So line command is center axis. Line command, I will draw a line command here and offset it. Offset ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ. ಲೈನ್ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಸಾರಿ ಆಫ್ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, EX ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇವನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೌದಾ? ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಯಿತು. ದಿಸ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡೆಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. So afterwards you can erase it. Okay, erase it. So this I will take a copy, CO, from this center to ortho is off. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಥರ ಟಾಪ್ ವ್ಯೂನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಈ ಥರ ಕಾಣ್ತೀವಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಥರ, ಸೊ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಲೊಕೇಟ್ ದ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪೈಪ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅವನು? ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಟು ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 60 mm and from this edge to this one is not given. What I will do, simply I will take at the center. Total width ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 80 ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ 40 ಗೆ ತಗೊತೀನಿ, 40 mm ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 60 mm ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಫ್ಸೆಟ್ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್, ಆಫ್ಸೆಟ್ O ಎಂಟರ್ 60 mm 60 and center offset again O enter 40 mm. Okay, 40 mm. So now when you see from the top ಇಂದ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಎರಡು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ರೀತಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ, ಡಯಾ 60 ಮತ್ತು 40 ಡಯಾ. ಸೊ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ C ಎಂಟರ್, ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ 30 and radius is 30 mm and one more radius is 20 mm. Radius is 20 mm. Okay, so ಇದು ಎರಡು ಆಯಿತು. ಟಾಪ್ ವ್ಯೂನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಈ ಥರ ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಅ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ವ್ಯೂ. ಓಕೆ, ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ವ್ಯೂನಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈನ್ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆರ್ಥೋ ಎಂಟರ್, ಅಗೇನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅ ಲೈನ್ ಕಮಾಂಡ್. ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ವ್ಯೂನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ದಿಸ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ a hidden line. This should be hidden. These are all the reference lines which are useful. This one. Okay, afterwards what I will do, I will trim it. You can trim all these things. Trim it. So please concentrate in this figure. When you see from the front, this circle, these holes are there which are hidden. Therefore what I will do, I will make it a dotted. This one, this line and this line as hidden line should be dotted one. So I have taken like this. Okay, so these lines are not required for me. This line is not required. This line is also not required for me. Erase. Okay, so this looks like a hidden lines. And afterwards when you see from the front, ಈ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಇದೇನು ಪೈಪ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ when in the front view it looks like this pipe looks like a rectangle. Okay, so in a rectangle this is hidden. This internal circle is there which looks like a hidden. Therefore what I will do, I will take a line command. What is the height of this line? Height of this pipe is 60 mm. Therefore take a line command from here, 60 mm line. Okay, I have drawn again 60 mm, 60 mm, and we can join this. Okay, and one more line. You can take height 60 mm. Similarly, you can take a height 60 mm. Okay, so as you know that this should be erased. This should be erased. So as you know that when you see from the front, this internal circle is there, interior circle is looking like a rectangle, but it should be hidden. Therefore I have to make it this lines as hidden, not this one, dotted lines. Okay, so these two are hidden. It's better you can take a center axis also. You can take a center axis of this. You can make it a you can take a line here. You can take a line, trim here, TR, double enter, trim this one, and afterwards you can erase it. Erase. You can change this type of line as a center axis line. All these should be center axis. All these are center axis lines. This is like this. Okay, these are made center axis. Dear students, here I can take this also a line which should be made center axis. Here this is also center axis of the circle in the front view. I will trim it. Trim ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, trim ಮಾಡಿ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ erase ಮಾಡಿ. You can change this as these are the center axis of this one. It is made center. Okay, so front view ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಇದು ಪೈಪ್ ಅಂತ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ, ಹಾಲೋ ಪೈಪ್. ಟಾಪ್ ವ್ಯೂ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತರ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಟಾಪ್ ವ್ಯೂ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಹೋಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ವ್ಯೂ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ, ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಇದು ಹೋಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ವ್ಯೂ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಇದು ಡಾಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ afterwards what we can do, we can, if possible, we can draw a right view also. So drawing a right view is also very easy. So in a right view, width is 80 mm, height is 20 mm. I will take a reference lines. Here also one reference line. Here also 20. 1 minute. Erase it. Line. We can take a line command, L, enter up to this much. Okay. Or otherwise you can erase it. Just erase. So now I will draw a line of width 80 mm. Okay, height is 20 mm. And width is 80 mm on the left hand side, and bottom it is 80. Afterwards this reference line erase ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. reference line erase ಮಾಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು height ಇದೆ. So this line is also required here. Here this is also required, and center axis is required here. Center axis also you can note it down. Center axis, this center axis I will change the type of center axis afterwards. ನೋಡಿ, center axis ಇಂದ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಇದರ width ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ ಈಗ, ಹೌದಾ? So from here to here it is 15 mm. Okay, 15 mm, and from side view if you see, this line is also 15 mm. So what I can do, I can take offset command, 15 mm. Here also 15, here also it is 15. So I will draw two. See, center axis is 15 mm. From here to here it looks like a dotted line of dia 10 mm. 10 mm offset you can make. Offset 10 mm right side and on the left side. This is on the right side and it is on the left hand side. Both of this must be a dotted line. This must be dotted line. Why? Because it is a hidden line, correct? This I have to select it. This should be made dotted lines, okay? And this center axis of a hole should be chain dotted line, okay? I have done like this. So afterwards, as you know that this, when you see from the side, it looks like again rectangle, okay? So what I should do, what is the center axis from here to this is a 40 mm, okay? What I will do, I will make it offset of what is the width of this outer dia is 60 mm andre 30 offset agಬೇಕಾಯಿತು. Offset 30 mm on either sides, from here to here 30, from here to here it is 30, okay? And one more is there, in internal interior circle of a pipe, offset is to 20 mm dia of 40 mm dia means 20 mm radius aito, offset we have to take 20 mm, offset 20, click on right and click on left. Afterwards trim it, TR double enter. One minute, you can trim it, all this should be trimmed off, okay? So this is, I can remove this, I can join a line here, okay? Dear students, this internal circle is there, it should be dotted. I will make it dotted, okay? So this is ready. My figure number 4 is figure number 5 is ready. Only thing is I have to make a dimensioning, that's all. So I'll make a dimensioning according to the sketch given, 140 and height is 60 mm. So you can go to dimension it, sorry, 120 is there, oh sorry, I took it as 140 actually it was there, but I took it as 120. So you can draw as 140 only, or otherwise you can take it as 120, no problem at all, okay? Height is 20 mm. I will show the height here, from here to here it is 20 mm. What is the height of this? Here it is 60 mm height is there, 60 mm height. And afterwards in the top view I have to dimension 80, okay? 80, 15, everything I have to dimension. I will take a dimension command. What I will do, I will take a dimension command from here to here, one side 80. What is the size of this radius or dia? I will take, it is mentioned as dia, similarly I will mention dia only. So here also it is given as a diameter, no? Dia is 60, dia is 40. I will take dia as 60 and dia as 30, sorry, dia is 40. Afterwards what else is required here? So height is over, 40, 60 is there, 15 mm also we have done. The reference is important, 15 mm axis, correct? So from here to center axis of a circle is 15 mm, from here to center axis of a circle is 15 mm, okay? Is ready. So dear students, this is how you can dimension. Afterwards you have to show the front view. I will take a copy because I have already made it on this side, okay? This is front view. And the top view I will take it a copy of that. Ortho off I will make because I would like to move it downward, okay? And right view, actually it should have been written on the right. So what I will do, I will erase it, afterwards I will do, so I will make a movement. So select this figure because it should be on the move command. I will take move command M, enter. From here to, sorry, select this first, click on this, move, click on this point, make it ortho off. Ortho is on, so that it will move parallelly. Okay, so whole object I will move it down. Whole object I will move it down. Okay, so top is ready. Figure number, I will copy this. Figure 4, I will edit it. Edit, ed file. Okay, is ready. I will take a front view, copy, CO, enter, and I will keep here front view. I will move downwards. Front view is ready, and afterwards somewhere here I wrote right view, correct? So what you can do, you can go for edit and write according to that. Simply I will move from this, because I don't want to waste time here in making a video, because students, you can practice. Okay, I will move it. Somewhere here. So dear students, this is ready. I will underline this. I will edit it. I will select this object. I will underline it because we can highlight it. Okay, so we can make a match property, whether it will get underlined or not. Cannot. So afterwards you can change the match property, for which you can dimension it, wherever the dimension is there, you can click on all those dimensions. Okay, so this is how you can draw the figure number 5. So this completes your orthographic projections. So 5 videos are there for individual figures. ನೋಡಿ 5 ಫಿಗರ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಸಾಕು. 5 ಫಿಗರ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So I hope you can get the benefit of this. Thank you for watching.